up, YouTube? I'm on the way to the shop, man. It's Wednesday. Usually on a Wednesday, I have a short day, you know what I'm saying? I start at 1 o'clock on Wednesday, so, you know, because in the history of the barbershop, man, Wednesday is usually a slow day. So, for me, I stopped sitting up there all day on Wednesday, you know, waiting for walk-ins, waiting for the gaps in my appointments. So, what I did was I just condensed the day. I start at 1, I get out at 6, and then now, once I started doing that on Wednesday, every slot be filled. So like, once I get to work, I don't stop working until I leave. I use the Cut for anybody who don't know. This app is pretty good, man. I like this app. It's user friendly. A lot of my clients that use it, they like it. You know what I'm saying? So, the police just sitting back there like that. Gotta drive right. So I have 11 today. 11 and 8 are kids. You know, if you're a barber and you know, kids are tough. And a lot of times, you know, they like to move, they like to be on their phone, they like to watch TV, you know what I'm saying? Like, their head will stay turned trying to watch the TV while you're trying to turn the chair around. This is going to be a tough day because I'm going to have to deal with all of that. All right. I'll see y'all in the shop, man. He wasn't that bad, you know what I'm saying? He just kept his head down a little bit, but he wasn't bad. He's older. A lot of times the older kids do pretty good. I was supposed to have 2 more, but I think they're not coming. Had one at 2:45 and 2:45 and 3:15, and it's now 3:09. So I'm gonna get something to eat. So, 2 clients didn't come. You know, it's all good. I'm gonna go get something to eat. One thing I don't do that I need to start doing is eating breakfast. I know that's supposed to be the most important meal of the day, but like, when I get up, I don't really feel like eating. Now, maybe because I eat before I go to bed, I need to stop doing that too. So y'all know what it is. Got that Waffle House. About to go bust this down. According to my app, I got one teenager, so I guess that's not a kid. So I was counting that one earlier. Yeah, so I had 7, not 8. But 2 canceled on me, and then 1 is a teenager. So yeah, that's the day. We gonna see if this one dude canceled and booked again. We gonna see what's going on with that. I'm not sure if he's trying to cancel and then book for another day and just kind of book the same day, but we gonna see. So, here we go.
my other joke I just got.
Oh, what's that?
It's a Canic 9.
Mechanic 9?
And what the Canic is the name brand. But it's the baddest 9mm on the streets right now. It's Canic. Baddest joke on the street right here.
That's nice and small, too compact.
And it's so accurate, man. They say you can bury this thing, man. For 10 years, unbury that joker, and that joker ready to go. This man with this Taurus, this a bad mofo too, man. I got a problem with guns, man. I'm telling you, man, I got a problem, man. Now this joker right here, this is a nice compact right here. This joker right here, man.
Nice 40 right there.
This joker right here is just sweet too, man.
Oh yeah, that is nice. That right there.
Yeah.
That's what I want, something
and
like
that grip,
that.
man. I'm talking about.
Yeah.
You can't. This thing can't get out your hand, man, because it grips so well, you know. Then that 12 gauge come with a lot of damn accessories too. That mother come with shit. That mother he'll come with damn. That thing come with like two damn magazines. Ooh. 2 different magazines, and this sights. And this right here is damn. I don't know what the hell this is. Oh, this is like a cleaning
Oh, man, system.
right. So that joke come with some shit, but this mother right here, I can't wait to shoot this bitch, man. This damn thing here is a damn beast of a gun, bro.
Hell yeah, that's it, dude.
That motherfucker's a beast of shit. I stacked up on some rounds too, man.
Yeah.
My dude put me up on some rounds.
Oh, he got some rounds too?
Yeah, I got some damn round, boy. I didn't see them guys right there need some damn rounds. I got some rounds. That's a little baby right there. And then look at that red eye. See that damn sights in that thing, boy? Look like that.
Oh, the red dot on the tree?
Alright.
So that's like, it's 4 times, right?
Uh-huh.
It's gonna look crazy.
Mm-hmm. On the inside. That joke will light up now.
That's gonna be crazy. Yo. So, I just gave myself a line up, you know what I'm saying? I'm good, you feel me? Check me out. That's pretty much it, man. Like, I didn't have the expected day that I thought I was gonna have. And that happens sometimes, man, as a barber, man. You know, your day may not go how your schedule looks. And that's what happened with me today. It didn't go the way I thought it was gonna go. My beard got diamonds in it right now, though. For sure. I tell everybody, put them diamonds in your beard, you know? Today did not go as planned, which is cool, you know what I'm saying? I had, I think, 10 people today. I only cut 8. That just goes to show you that your day may be unpredicted. You may not be able to predict your day. 2 people that didn't show up, just to remind you, you know what I'm saying? They did not give me a call or let me know anything. So, don't know if they're a new client. I believe they were new, or I cut them maybe once or twice. I'd rather you give me a notice, a heads up, than not show up. I don't know, y'all. Like I said, y'all leave a comment below, man. Let me know what y'all think about that, because that's your time. That's your time. I'm driving. It's dangerous out here. It's dark out here, and I can't really see the road like that because this light is shining right on me. So like my page, man. Subscribe to the channel. Y'all know who it is. Double S Cuts.